1. Osmanthus accidentally broke. Since it snapped, we can now turn it into 2 separate plants. I'm going to propagate 1 through cutting and planting. Make sure the cut is flat. This greatly improves the chances of survival. A clean cut prevents the base from rotting, and if it stays healthy, roots can sprout directly from the cut. Next, trim some of the upper leaves, then soak the cutting in a mixture of water, fungicide, and rooting hormone. Normally, it should soak for 1 to 2 hours, but here I'm doing a quick demonstration, so I won't wait that long. Plant it in nutrient-rich soil, using the same soaking water containing fungicide and rooting hormone, and water the soil thoroughly. Tomorrow, once the excess water has drained, I'll cover it with a plastic bag. The survival rate is very high. Osmanthus cuttings root extremely easily, especially in spring. So, from 1 pot, we now have 2. Even though it broke, it's not a problem. Isn't that wonderful?